You got a puka!
My boy!
Hey! This one, Gary!
Hey!
Alrighty! Look at that! 1 kilo bottom meat.
Holy
Look at
I'm glad we did that drifting.
that. Alrighty. Puka puka! Ah! Raymond! 3-way hook up! 1 drift.
Boy!
What do you got? What do you got? Look at this. Have a look.
Puka puka.
Is it puka puka?
Yeah.
Puka!
Oh!
Day dog!
Gonna need a bigger net.
It's a puka. Oh my god! You know what that means, don't you?
Yeah, what?
I'm the only f***ing one that hasn't caught one.
But if they're out there, you will.
And sit down.
Well, we've just spent day loading up. There's no more room in the boat, as you can see. It's chock-a-block, but we are going to try out. G'day, Josh.
How you on?
We're going to try a new thing tomorrow, and that's this that I've been waiting for. 12 months in the making, finally arrived. We're putting it on, and now we're going out tomorrow morning. Going to go to the shop and see if we can get some big dogs. The cars are totally chockers. Everything's just all chock-a-block. Anyway, so really excited. We're about to head off. So this is about 3 or 4 days. We'll have people coming and going, but this is going to be exciting. We haven't been away for this for a while, so we made it. We just finished unloading. This is where we are. Where we've got over here is like a barbecue sort of thing. Boat's all emptied. Danny's just chilling. Hey mate. It's all our fuel. We need to bring out because there's no fuel here. Lures. We've got ice. Basically, we've got to bring everything. So, but anyway, it's that's the beauty about coming out to here. A bit isolated, nice setting. Got a bit of charm about it, old world charm. So that's arriving. So we'll see you a bit later on. So we've packed everything away. Now, what I thought we'd do is just do a bit of exploring. I like to see that. Well, we made it down to the beach, pretty secluded. And there's a big, we're right in a big hole. Look at that. And it just keeps on going and going and going and going. I dare say there'll be another beach over the other side as well, like behind me. Be another beach. But we got to get back up there. I mean, it's been done before, so it's not a big, huge thing, but it's going to be challenging, I tell you. It doesn't look very steep on the GoPro, but I can tell you it is steep. Anyway, guys, talk to you soon.
Operator error may occur.
There's a big divot up here, that's what I'm worried about because I might lose my car on that side. Anyway, here we go. On the gas. Oh. Don't you stop, keep going, keep going. Keep going. Oh. Well, wasn't that hard. Ryan, welcome! My God, you actually turned up. Very nice. We're just chilling now. Raymond's arrived, now the party's started. Awesome. This is what dreams are made of. I love this. Love it. So, it's 3 o'clock in the morning. Wow. Just woke up. This is what the boys are doing. Let's have a look. Morning, fellas.
Morning.
What are you guys doing? Up so early. All right. See you on the water. All right. Good morning. Well, we've got some friends with us today, and there they are. And you, Raymond, as well.
Good morning. Jado? Morning.
Anyway, we're travelling by night. We're trying to get out. So far so good. We haven't hit a reef yet. But anyway, we're going to head out to the shelf and we'll see you soon.
Pretty dark. See the spots, that's where we launched from.
Sorry, Raymond?
I forgot my gloves.
We're getting all suited up. Look at him. Anyway, we finally arrived. We're in the middle of nowhere.
4 hours.
After 1.5, 2 hours. Raymond's is complaining like usual. But look, that's what happens. That's what happens when you get older. That's what happens. So, you know, I've got something to look forward to when I get older. Gary's just sort of woken up. He had a little sleep in the way. Good morning, mate. How you going?
Morning.
You look a bit tired. go okay. And Jason's doing the sounder thing, getting ready. And I'm doing the GoPro thing. So anyway, we're on the shelf, see what we get. Hopefully not too many spur dogs today. So, oh look, what's that? 1 kilo what?
Piece of lead.
Piece of lead. That would have cost a few bananas. Yeah.
How heavy is that?
And 4 hours.
All right.
150 to go.
Ooh.
Something on there.
You got something?
It's definitely something, and I don't think it's a spur dog this
You
time.
don't think it's a spur
I
dog?
can't be 100% sure, but I don't think it is.
Well,
I don't think it's spur dog.
it's moving. Look at that, boy. Look at
A
that.
bit ahead.
Got to see?
Well, you like the bend in the rod.
Oh yeah. Well, at least we're here. You know that we're here, Gary. Raymond, what are you doing, buddy?
He dropped one.
He dropped it. Oh. All set up. Show us your gear, mate. Look at that. This is Raymond's gear. It's all set up.
Still
So-
fish coming up behind the next one as well.
Look
Big
at that.
load of
I
bait
might even
coming
drop
up,
one.
bro.
This is it. Good fish. Look at this. All right. Lovely. It's just coming up now. 160 meters. Well, we hope.
Oh,
You got a puka.
my boy!
Hey, this one, Gary.
Hey.
Alrighty. Look at that.
Puka, puka.
Puka puka.
Lucky we didn't turn that boat around too early. Because that was...
Look at that.
Look
On
at
bottom meat. 1 kilo bottom meat.
Holy
Look at that.
demons.
We got it. We found them. Thank you. Thank you.
That makes me happy.
Oh,
That's the shit.
we found them, boys.
Lift her up. I'm glad we did that drifting. You know how we did that long drifting and just right at the end there was that little tiny reed.
Are we still okay?
Yep.
Yeah, there's still fish right on the bottom.
Just look, guys. Hold him up, buddy.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Puka puka. Alrighty.
Don't
All right.
stick your hand in the gills.
Yep.
Hey Mick, what happened?
I know, I think I got one. I think. Yep,
Dancing,
I think so.
I'd say so.
It's raining a bit. Yep. There's a fish on there. There's a fish on there.
Fish on.
Oh, we woke up so early. So, this is my first one, hopefully.
Hey,
Hopefully.
hopefully. No pre-booking.
This is 5 years in the making. 1 year for the sounder. There we go. I'm hoping. Here's this hoping. Alrighty.
What have you done, Jaden? You got a freight train, mate. What was that? Just look at the bend in the rod.
Still on? Alrighty. Yay!
Here's what we're looking at. Colour just on the bottom.
5 to go. 35 to go. Now to go. No f***ing Hāpuku. Still a good fish.
Same time of the day.
Look at that. Whew. That's the size you want. Shell for Danny.
Hey, Ray.
Ray,
Smile for the camera.
Ray, over there, look, over this side, this side. Ah! Raymond, 3-way hook up, one drift.
Boys.
What do you got? What do you got? Look at this, have a look.
Puka, puka.
Is it puka puka?
Yeah, yeah.
Look at puka puka.
Oh!
Day dog.
Gonna need a bigger net.
Mate. Look at that.
That's a good one.
That's nice.
Nice fish, Joe.
All right.
Not bad.
Alrighty. Raymundo.
Oh, sounder has paid off already.
Yeah.
It's a puka. Oh my god! Oh, Raymond, you bastard. Oh, no. You know what that means, don't you?
Yeah, what?
I'm the only f***ing one that hasn't caught one.
But there's that many out there, you will.
Next year.
I'm hoping.
You hit it out of its mouth.
Oh my god. It's a shelf flathead.
Yeah.
Look at how arsey this guy is.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's crazy. What have you got there, mate?
I think
I think you got
it's
a fucking
Hāpuku.
horse. Look at that. Yes, Raymond! Look at that dog!
That's a big fat hooker.
Sweeter, that's sweet.
Oh,
Look at that.
Look out the door.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Maybe this time, Gary.
Get a little bit more excited.
Well, I don't, because every time I get excited,
Stalled the rear.
every time I get excited,
Engine disappointment.
so I'm
Tears?
just not getting excited. I'm when it does that, I get very excited. What is it? Queenie. Thank you.
How do you explain that?
I got no
How
idea.
did it happen?
I mean, you know. You actually catch fish on a jig, mate. People do. Believe it.
What's it feel like?
I'm not saying shit.
Bird dogs do eat jigs, you know that.
Oh, do they?
Yeah.
Do they?
Yeah, probably. Thanks, bro.
No worries, mate.
Come on, Zerk.
Come on, Zerk. Oh, oh! Look at him go.
Oh shit, that's a real one.
Oh, that's a good one. Yeah. That is definitely.
Double hook up.
Yeah, but maybe he's got, like I said, the other hook of the jig is jammed in the rock.
What do you got, Ray?
I've got no idea.
How far off the bottom were you?
100.
100 metres off the bottom.
Oh, or maybe.
So it's a mid-water fish.
What?
Pinky.
Pinky. 100 metres off the bottom.
Ah!
Oh my god. Look at that. Raymond,
Yeah.
that is a very lucky. Sorry, you're very lucky. That's a very unlucky snapper, that one. 100 metres off the bottom. Alright, so what's happening at the moment is amazing. I lost 250 metres of line
Yeah, 4 hours ago.
4 hours ago. And the boys, well, Jaden actually hooked up to this line, and now Raymond's pulling it in, and hopefully my jig's on the end. So we'll.
Lost a fishing game.
No, it wasn't. But it's the other rig I lost. Unreal, eh? Oh, Jaden. Look at that. Look at the colour of it.
He ate his mate. He ate his
Baby.
Little baby.
Gurney.
Look at that.
Different. It's more like a scorpion fish. Than a gurney.
I don't know what it is, but it's nice.
On.
Got him?
Shrinking
I
on
think it's
top.
nannies, I think.
Better bites at the top end of this drift anyway. 160 metres to go.
The battle of the electrics here.
Is he on?
Yeah. How'd you end up with the
Oh, I gave Gary the edge, you know?
Oh.
Go Gary the edge.
Oh.
Proper Diane, mate. Oh. Raymond,
Yeah.
what'd you get, buddy?
A red squid.
A red squid. What the? Oh my god. Let's have a look at it, Jay. Look at the size of it.
A red squid.
Look at that.
That's a red squid.
Turn it around. Grab it in the mouth, Raymond. Look at that. Well done, buddy.
Like that?
That's what you call good munging, isn't it? Yeah. How you going? Triple hook up. Gary, what do you got, buddy?
Nice big nanny.
Nice big nanny. Jay, what do you got, mate?
Nanny, I think.
Nanny, what do you got, mate?
Nanny.
Oh, what did I just get, mate?
Nanny!
40 centimetre nanny.
Nah, that's bigger than nanny, mate.
Sideways.
I reckon it might be a metre. Metre nanny.
It's been dramatic, I think.
Whoop. 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 And Sambo. Sambo. No, it's not a Sambo.
Oh well.
You know what the really
Now you get local people come around and have a look.
What's that? Cod.
Huh?
What's that?
8-bar cod.
A what?
It's a cod. Deep sea, caught in the shell.
No, you've been them.
Yeah. Anyway, there we go. Jaden's flipping some fish. Got some nannies. Got some pukas. And you get some stray cats like that. See? Look at that. Very rare in these parts. What are you doing, Jay?
Try back and fish.
Ah. What are you doing, Raymond? Fish is already dead, bud.
It gave me a heart attack.
Look at that. Nice.